So I just finished setting up my Bambu Labs A1 Mini and AMS Lite. I haven't loaded other spools on, but we'll get to why. But here's the first three things that I printed. As always, I started off with a nice little benchy just to get things rolling. I also quickly printed a plate scraper because this only took 10 minutes. And then just finished printing off a poop catcher and a deflector, which I'm going to install right now. After that, I'm gonna print some spool adapters for these Sunlu PLA Plus spools that I picked up on Amazon. And then we'll get on to even more fun prints. What do you print first?